Okay, nice to meet you guys. My name is Simon. I'm from Belgium. I just arrived in Pakistan, and I arrived in a crazy event here in Hunza. Yeah. Well, I'm kind of surprised. It's the first time I see this kind of things, like the Tug of War. I feel so lucky to see that, in this area with these mountains. That's crazy. Well, for now, I only meet great people. Everybody is so kind to me, checking if everything is all right, inviting me as a media guy, and I'm so thankful. And yeah, I love this place. Great people, smiling people also. It's important. The north of Pakistan, I recommend 100%. The south of Pakistan, I had some issues.